Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you're all doing well, and today's recipe is Eastern-style rice. Here I have a pot with 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. I have 1 small onion sliced very thinly, and I'm going to saute it. I'll cook it until it becomes lightly golden. Once it's lightly golden, I'll add 1 thinly sliced carrot. I'll saute it together with the onion. The carrot has softened nicely with the onion, and now I have 2 cups of rice. I washed the rice well, soaked it for 20 minutes, drained it, and now I'm adding it. I'm adding the spices, half a teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 small teaspoon of salt, but for now I'm only adding the spices. Wait a second. The salt is only 1 small teaspoon, not 1 large spoon. Salt always depends on your taste, and I'll saute the rice for about 2 minutes. This allows the rice to absorb all the seasoning. I'll be right back. Now that the rice has absorbed the spices, it's time to add the water. For 2 cups of rice, I'm adding 4 cups of hot water. Use twice as much boiling water as rice. You can also use chicken broth or meat broth if you prefer. I measured 4 cups of water and brought them to a boil. Just like when making tea. Now I'll give everything a good stir. I'll cover the pot and let it cook over high heat until it boils. Then I'll reduce the heat. I almost forgot the salt, 1 small teaspoon. I nearly forgot it. Once the pot comes to a boil, I'll lower the heat. The rice is boiling now, so I'll cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the rice is fully cooked. I'll turn off the heat and let it rest for a few minutes. This helps the rice firm up before serving. That way it stays light and fluffy. After 10 minutes of resting, here's the rice. Fluff it gently with a fork. Those are just small pieces of black pepper that weren't fully ground. Now I'm ready to serve it. I'll place it on the serving plate. I'm adding a little sweet corn, but that's completely optional. This is the final look of our Eastern-style rice. I garnished it with chopped parsley and toasted almonds. The almonds became slightly overcooked, but that's perfectly fine. I also prepared a salad with cherry tomatoes, onion, and sweet corn. This light salad pairs perfectly with the rice, along with slices of beef tongue. I marinated the beef tongue well and let it absorb the flavors. I left it marinating for about 4 hours before cooking it. Then I grilled it, and this is how it turned out. You can also serve this rice with grilled chicken, grilled meat, or anything you like. Serve it however you prefer, and I hope you'll try this recipe. Enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. See you next time.